Hey guys, just hopping on real quick to cover everyone's profits from today's live trading session, Tuesday, August 22nd, as we officially close out the trading day. We have my MFF number 3 count, total profit of 720 for the day. Here goes my MFF number 2 count, total profit of 720 as well. My MFF number 1 account, total profit of 720. My FTMO number 4 account, total profit of 1,020 for the day. Here goes my FTMO number 3 count, total profit of 970. My FTMO number 2 count, total profit of 970 as well. And my main FTMO account here, total profit of 770 for the day, all wins. Here goes the profits across all my accounts for the day and the week so far. We have KC here, total profit of 1,181 for the day, all wins. We have Surin, total profit of 565 for the day, all wins as well. We've got Gion here, total profit of 910 for the day, all wins. We've got Maddie here, total profit of 1,675 for the day, all wins as well. We've got Patricia here, total profit of 790 on her first account, 490 on her second account, and a total profit of 631 on her third account, all wins. We have Patricia's other account, total profit of 3,310 for the day. We've got Anelli here, total profit of 1,240 for the day, all wins. We've got Rashida here, total profit of 2,587 for the day, all wins as well. We've got Andreas here, total profit of 1,010 for the day, all wins. And lastly, we have Johnny here, total profit of 2,268 for the day, all wins for the day. So those are all the profits from today's live trading session. If you guys want to rewatch that session, pull up our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Kodi Kai Trades, and pull up the session from Tuesday, August 22nd. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I will see you guys back here tomorrow for the next live session. See you guys then.